Hi everyone! So far, we have learned about advocacy, designing campaigns, lobbying, and building coalitions. But how do we know if our efforts are actually working? That is where tracking success comes in. Monitoring and reporting your advocacy ensures that your work has impact and shows your partners, supporters, and community what you have achieved. Monitoring is like checking your map on a journey. Without it, you don't know if you are getting closer to your destination or not. Tracking your advocacy helps you to see what is working and what isn't, make adjustments during the campaign, share evidence of the impact with the supporters and the decision makers. And remember, even small changes matter. Every person reached, every meeting held, and every policy influence counts. Here are simple indicators that you can use. Number 1, the output indicator. What did you do? For example, number of workshops, petitions submitted, social media posts published. Number 2, outcome indicators. What changed? For example, you increased awareness, more students were enrolled in your program, or new policies were adopted. Number 3, impact indicators. Long-term effects on the community. For example, more girls are attending school. We reduce GBV cases at the community level, or we improve mental health support. Here you have a tip. Start small. Even tracking 2 to 3 indicators is enough to see if your advocacy is making a difference. You don't need complicated tools. Simple method works. For example, you can use surveys or polls in your community, attendance sheets for workshops or events. Photos and videos of activities also work. Testimonies from beneficiaries of your community members is also an important tool. Keep a record of everything. This will make the reporting easier and help you show the story of your advocacy clear.
Hello, my name is Emmanuel Nivikora. I'm the founder of Rise Labs Initiative, a refugee youth-led organization in Nakiva Refugee Settlement. At Rise Labs, our work focuses more on making healthcare more accessible through our awareness campaigns, laboratory diagnostics, and community health education. Tracking indicators help us to know if our diabetic awareness campaign is making impact. It allows us to see what is working and adjust where needed. We track indicators such as the number of glucometers purchased and distributed during our campaigns. We also track the number of engagement and participation of individuals in the campaigns. On the other hand, we track the community engagement with the distribution of the educational materials we give out to increase the awareness. For example, we have witnessed a strong turnout to health centers of individuals after our trainings. This shows progress in community responsiveness. By tracking these indicators, we are certain that our advocacy is effective and we keep improving with every campaign. Choosing a few indicators helps us to focus on the results that matter most. This makes it easier to measure progress and share impact clearly. For us, the most indicators are the number of patients tested during our sessions. This shows our community engagement and reach. The other thing is about the glucometers purchased and distributed. This goes ahead to show how we are empowering patients to manage their health. On the other hand, our community awareness through the materials shared. This demonstrates whether our prevention method is spreading. My advice to other refugee youth-led organizations is to start small but track well. Focus on clear indicators that show really change in people's lives. Tracking your advocacy makes your impact stronger and ensures meaningful impact to your community.
When sharing your results, you have to consider this. Keep it simple and clear. Use visuals like the charts, graphics, or infographics. Tell the story behind the numbers. Highlight success and lessons learned. Reporting isn't just about accountability. It's also about inspiring others to join your cause and showing that refugee leadership works. So, always track, document, and share your advocacy journey. It makes your work stronger and shows that your voice leads to real change. In the next video, we will talk about managing resources, how to handle your project funds responsible while you are doing your advocacy. Measure your impact, show your results, and keep pushing for change.